Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to take this printed craft paper, fold it from the side and then from the corners as well. After folding it open, now we are going to gently press it from the side and make this rectangular box. Make another box as well and cover it from the top. After this, we're going to make the back seat and the handles as well and tuck it inside like we're doing here. Let's make the cushions now. So take another piece of paper, fold it and tuck the paper inside, press it from the corners and put it on the top of the sofa and it's ready. We're going to make these beautiful bags at home using masks. So let's get started. Here we are going to fold this mask and remove the wire. Now using double-sided tape, we are going to paste it. Let's make the frill design now and paste it on the top of the mask like this. After this, we're going to put the wire portion as well and fold it, and look, it's done. Paste the sticker and it's ready. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it using craft paper. So take this big color of paper, fold it from the sides, press it, again fold it like this, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to paste it using glue. Make 8 such shapes and paste all of them one after another, and we are going to paste a stick as well from both sides. Now open it, fold it, and look, your flower is ready. We're going to make these ice cream craft. You can put accessories inside it. So let's get started. Here we're going to take this printed paper, fold it like this, then again fold it from the corners. First we're going to make the box and keep it aside. After this, we're going to take another paper and make a stick and paste it. Now we're going to make the cover of the box as well. Wrap it like this, paste it, and look, it's ready. Look at this fun craft. When you open it, take this printed craft paper, make multiple folds. Now fold it from the corners and you will get this triangular shape. After this, we are going to make more such shapes and tuck all of them one after another inside the paper using glue. When it's done, you can fold it like this, overlap all of them, and finally you will get this square box. First, we are going to take this checkered pattern of paper, fold it into half, flip it, and again fold it like this, tuck it inside. Now we are going to make more such pieces and tuck all of them one after another in a straight line. You can increase and decrease the size according to the wrist. Now it's ready. Let's make paper heart origami today. So take this red color of paper, fold it into half. Now we are going to fold it from its bottom side, and similar way we're going to fold it from the top as well. Make these two triangular shape. Now make multiple fold. Here we're going to make the flower shape like this. Fold it and look, your heart origami is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.